kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Muthenya wa Umuthi Niukunguiire mwaka Umwe Uria Marigitite andu Makiria ma Ngiri Imwe aria mari na Murimu wa Cleft lip and Pilate na Makahona Agitongoria Igongona riu Ndagitari Kamau Augite ati Marigitaga Murimu Ucio Hatari Marihi no ende nimagumagirwo ni mathina atari kwaga umenyo wa urigiti ucio hamwe na unyihu wa arigitani arimi oritie thirikari Makiria akumateithiriria akuheana utungata ucio na retana riu niriakorirwo rikiamukirwo anetongoria thirikari-ini aria maukoretwo kana aria makikinyirie igongona-ini riu muthenya wa Umuthi.
Pilate, surgery, you have to do one at a time.
Muthenya wa Umuthi Thibitari wa Bela Risu Niukunguiire mwaka Umwe wa kurigita murimu wa Cleft lip and Pilate kuria Marigitite andu Makiria ma Ngiri Imwe igongona riria ritongoririo ni Ndagitari Kamau Thibitari-ini ucio Mwena wa Ngara.
Mwaka mmoja wa Center, Bela Risu Center. Center ni ya kwanza katika Afrika Mashariki kufanya hizi upasuaji ya Cleft lip and Pilate.
Murimu wa Cleft lip and Pilate uliocungagirira gwatuka kwa iromo ucungagirirwo ni mirire itari miega ya aciari ona kana aciari gutigira ciana ciao cigiciarwo no indi ndagitari agitariria ati murimu ucio nduri gitumi kiria kingigwetwo amwe macio no meciria mao.
It's a congenital malformation. It develops during the first trimester of pregnancy for a baby. Now, what are the causes? There is no known cause, but factors such as maternal nutrition. That's why poverty is a big thing. Malnutrition in the mother, unable to get good antenatal care, not being able to get supplements like folate, which is etc. contributes. What is interesting is that once the mother gets a cleft, a baby with cleft lip or cleft palate, the chances of getting another baby with cleft lip and palate is. So it's both environmental, nutrition, the medications that you take, but also there's a genetic component.
Hari ciana ithano nginyagia ithathatu ni ciaragwo na murimu ucio o muthenya na uyu ugakorwo uri murigo kuri aciari kuona ati wi goro guthondekwo.
5 to 6 children born every day. So we see about 2,000 children. In terms of the cost, if you just average it out, it will cost maybe around 350,000 Kenya shillings to have one surgery, that is to do the cleft lip.
That's the cost.
No Thibitari-ini uyu wa Bela Risu Medical Center nimerutire kurigita murimu uyu hatari Marihi ona thengia waguo gukorwo ugibatara 350,000 niguo urigitwo.
Then I want to congratulate Dr. Kamau together with his team, Dr. Khan, and the whole team of Bela Risu Medical Center for bringing a smile and hope to Kenyan children who are born with cleft lip and palate. At least we know for a fact that many parents in Kenya cannot afford the kind of money to be needed to do this corrective surgery and to bring a smile to their faces. And we know the stigma that is attached to cleft lip and palate. Many people may even say it's witchcraft or it's something weird that is happening to the family. But at least we know now it's a medical condition and that there is help. And more importantly, they are not charging anything. It's free. You know, the government has been talking about affordable health care. Now today we have a real able partner who has marshaled funding for this institution to be able to bring that smile of hope.
Mama thina marigitani magomagirwo ni mahindi ya kurigita murimu uyu ni wagi wa kigina gia kurugamirira ngarama ya urigiti kuona ati merigagirira andu a wendi mwega.
The Bela Risu Foundation who travel, our certificate and degrees is not important. The important of the long journey of Bela Risu Foundation, their long clip journeys give me the confidence and experience and knowledge. So institution and books give me only certificate and degrees, which is no value to me. But Bela Risu Foundation long journey.
Makiria muingi kwaga umenyo ati murimu ucio ni urigitagirwo Thibitari-ini ucio no thina ungi na riu makiuria muingi kwiyumiria kurigitirwo ciana ciao amwe aingi ao ni mahithaga ciana ciao murimu ucio.
Is awareness. We want this place to be able to to get the publicity that get, and with the support of the media. We want as many people as possible to be aware that a facility like this is in Kenya, and a very unique facility like this is in Sub-Saharan Africa. It being the first comprehensive cleft care center in Sub-Saharan Africa, the services that are being offered here are quite of like international standards, and the surgeries that we're offering here well accorded to the standards that cleft care services can be offered.
Riu arigitani thibitari-ini ucio ni moritie thirikari emateithiririe niguo mahote gutabania uteithio ucio kuri muingi.
We humbly request, not only here we need support a institution, a nursing institution. It will help the poor children. We can bring from the upcountry. They can train here. They can sponsor, and our institution will also.
Ritana riu ni riamukiritwo na njira njega ni atongoria thirikari-ini makiuga ati ni meharĩrĩirie kunyitanĩra niguo guteithia muingi na makiria magitugiria thibitari ucio ni wira mwega wa utungata.
Mr. Kefa, that you're now going to help this clinic to have an ambulance as the county. You help them with consultants, you add them more consultants in nutrition, you second more staff here, especially so that we can also see the contribution on the Nairobi County government to make this a success, because the work they're actually doing is county government work. And
so in particular for this facility, we are looking forward in the coming week to be able to enter into formal partnership so that the county government can dedicate some of the excess resources that we may be having to this facility in terms of manpower, in terms of facilities, and even utilities, so that they can be able to achieve much. And the Senator, we want to thank you.
Riu ni itemi ria o mundu o wothe kwiyumiria na kurigitirwo mwana wake Hatari Marihi thibitari-ini wa Bela Risu niguo guthaura githithi kia mwana ucio muturire-ini wake wothe. Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV, ritwa rĩakwa nĩ Chege.